Hello there. Looking at the weather over the coronation weekend, I think it's fair to say we've had a real mixed bag, starting on Saturday with the coronation itself, where in London we had, of course, rain. It wasn't that heavy, we only had 5 millimetres, but it was relentless, lasting for about 9 hours. So very damp weather. Different story for Sunday. Many of us dry with some sunshine coming through, and it was the warmest day of the year so far with highs of 21.3. But how warm is that? Well, if we look at the 7th of May, in previous years up to that date, we've had much warmer spells. For example, back in 2018, temperatures had already reached 29 degrees at this time of the year. So 21, absolutely nothing special for early May.
Good morning, both. Well, yesterday actually it was 21.3 Celsius in Sheffield, making it the warmest day of this year so far. But to answer Sal's question, if you're heading out, take your brolly with you. It's going to be wet. We've got rain moving from the west to the east, and behind that we'll see a return to sunshine and showers. But some of the showers will be heavy and also thundery.
Good morning. There may be a little bit of brightness first thing this morning, but soon the cloud increases and we'll see some heavy rain arriving.
Maybe a bit wetter today.
Look at that giant black cloud. I think there's a clue, John.
It's a bank holiday.
And what do you expect? Good morning, everybody. It is quite a different forecast today than the one that many of us had yesterday. We've already got some heavy rain in the west. It's continuing its journey, moving east. And then behind it, we see a return to heavy showers, some of which will be thundery, especially in Northern Ireland.
This morning she's bringing us a great big black cloud.
Too right, Sal. Good morning, everybody. If you're just stepping out, I certainly would take my umbrella with you.
Carol can tell us what today's looking like. It's a bank holiday, so
it's soggy.
So we know what that means.
There we go. Look, damp.
Yeah. You can probably guess. Do you know what's happening this morning? Good morning, everybody. We've got a couple of weather fronts moving from the west to the east. So the second one is going through Cornwall at the moment. So it's a dreich start for you. It's murky, it's dank, it's cloudy. Then we've got the heavier rain continuing to push eastwards across Staffordshire. But as yet, it hasn't arrived in Felixstowe in Suffolk. So we still have some blue skies. They're not going to last because the rain is on its way.
Weather not great in the Cotswolds there, was it?
Didn't look brilliant, did it?
At Badminton. At Windsor Castle, where the concert took place, I mean, it's not that far from the Cotswolds. It looks a little bit brighter there, doesn't it?
It does. How's your weather forecasting career going, John? Is it?
Well, I know somebody who can give us a slightly more expert opinion. Carol joined us. Good morning, Carol, but that doesn't look great.
No, it doesn't.
No. You had me shaking in my shoes there for a minute, John. That was a good weather forecast because the rain is on its way from Gloucestershire towards Berkshire as we speak.